Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy slow cooker jalapeno dip. It is naturally gluten-free, perfect for upcoming parties, and easy to make and easy to serve. So the first thing we're going to need to do is get all of our ingredients together. You'll need 16 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. This is 2 blocks. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and then 1 1/4 cups of sour cream, along with 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese cubes, and then 6 to 8 slices of cooked and crumbled bacon. 1 cup of jalapenos, cleaned, seeded, and diced. Those will be ready to go all into our slow cooker. I'm going to use about a 6-quart slow cooker, and then we're just going to add all of these ingredients right into that slow cooker. So I'm adding in the cream cheese, paprika, onion powder, sharp cheddar cheese, sour cream, cheese cubes, crumbled bacon, and jalapeno all into my slow cooker. So once I have that all in here, I'm going to go ahead and cover this and cook it on low for 1 1/2 to 2 hours. Now you do need to mix this up about every 30 minutes. And once it's well combined and creamy, you can turn off the slow cooker. And then we're just going to pour it into a serving dish to serve our dip. This usually will go into 2 dip dishes in my experience, as you can see here. So we typically will serve this with corn chips, Ruffles, vegetables like celery or diced bell peppers work really well. So you can serve it with any type of chips you prefer. You can even serve this with chicken wings too. It works great with any of it. This is a great spicy dip to add to your menu. And the full recipe for slow cooker jalapeno dip can be found over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so you do not miss the next video. Thanks for tuning in today.